we're finding sand boils, and we're making sure that we're containing the water that's coming out of the sand boil, so that way it doesn't erode away, because as soon as it erodes enough away, the levee will give out. So the first thing we did when we got out here was we had a truck full of 2 or 3 pallets of sandbags, trying to get as many sandbags as we could from the truck to the site, so that way we could place the sandbags, so that way the people on site could start placing the sandbags around the sand boils. These people, you know, are probably sitting in their houses wondering what's going to happen, you know, and hopefully they feel some sort of safe security knowing that we're here and we're doing what we're doing.